to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be making a lip smacking starter. I am making chicken lollipop pakoda. Now let me take you through the ingredients. This is a very simple recipe and it's a super duper hit amongst the kids. So the ingredients that I've taken for this recipe is chicken lollipop, half kg, some garam masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste. I've taken corn flour, rice flour, gram flour, some curry leaf, some garlic pods, onion and half a lime. Now the process of baking this is very simple. You just put all these ingredients, I will share the quantity of it, in a mixie jar, give it a spin and then marinate the chicken with this masala. That's it, and then you fry the chicken and you're done. So guys, here I've taken onion which I have roughly chopped, some ginger garlic paste, I've taken the garlic pods, as you can see I haven't removed the skin, some few curry leaves. To this I will be adding the dry masalas as well. I am putting in 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, garam masala half teaspoon, chili powder to your taste. I have taken half a teaspoon here, little turmeric and salt to taste. I am just going to do an on and off in the mixie and I will show you the consistency that it has grinded to. So guys, you can see I have grinded the masala to this consistency. So I had to do the on off probably a couple of times to reach this consistency. You can see that there are chunks of garlic and onion and curry leaf. You want the masala to have few chunks. You don't want it to be like a paste. Now at this point just check for salt and spice in the masala. If you want to add some more salt or chili powder, you can add at this point and give it a nice mix and then marinate the chicken with this masala. I'm squeezing in some lime to the masala before I start the marination. So I've marinated the chicken. Now in the end I'm just going to add another tablespoon of gram flour. I'm just going to sprinkle it over the chicken and just mix it so that it just binds in together. Guys, I have not used water at all because there would be water in the chicken, the onion. Now you can marinate this for 10 minutes or longer. Guys, this last step is totally optional, so that's why I'm adding it in the end. I'm adding some red food color just to make my lollipop pop. So I've marinated the chicken and now it is ready to be fried. So guys, I've taken a deep kadai here with some oil. So guys, I'm going to check to see if the oil is hot enough. I'm just dropping in a little piece of masala just to see how it responds to the hot oil. There, it's floating to the top, so you know it is hot. I'm not going to overcrowd the pan. Now while the chicken is frying, I'm just going to add in few curry leaves. This is just going to add that nice flavor to the pakoda. Now let this fry till it is nice and crisp and you know that the chicken is cooked. The rice flour and the corn flour that we added is what is going to add the extra crispiness to the chicken lollipops. See, now you can see that the chicken is cooked because you can see that the meat is kind of coming off from the bone, if you see this. So few of the pieces you can just check and you know that the chicken is done. So I'm just going to place this in a paper towel so that the excess oil gets absorbed. And here you go, Your chicken lollipop pakoda is ready. I've garnished the lollipop with some ring onion, coriander leaf and lime wedges. Now is the eating time and none other than my son is going to taste this. Thanks for watching guys. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.